It's an exciting time for the company. I'll be with the company 30 years this year, and it's still exciting for me, and it's still exciting for the industry. I was at a party to celebrate the company's 50th anniversary back in October, and we've come a long, long way from the little company started by Gerhard Sturm and a couple of his partners in a little garage in Molfing in Germany back in 1983 with just 35 employees. And I'm amazed when I look at the fact that right now we're up to close to 11,000 employees globally. We're proud of the number of jobs that we're creating, and we're proud of the growth of the company. But we're also very proud of our green tech philosophy. Our green tech philosophy is a very, very simple one. Every product that we manufacture will be made to be more energy efficient than a generation it replaces. And furthermore, we will try to make that in a more energy efficient manner. So again, we're trying to cut down on our own manufacturing carbon footprint. I look at some of the investments that we've made at our facility in Connecticut, and it's upgrading lighting, upgrading systems, upgrading our own HVAC systems. We just installed new equipment that we know is going to result in at least 20% savings in our power footprint. It's something that we're proud of, but again, trying to be a green supplier to the industry, I think this goes hand in hand. We're happy with the way our business is growing and generating on a corporate level. And in North America, we continue with our double-digit growth. We're happy with the way things are going. But one of the things I think is important is to tell everybody a little bit about one of our newest innovations, because it's from some of these innovations that we're getting our growth. Last year at the show, we introduced a product called an AxiTop. It's an accessory for our line of axial fans that improves efficiency. And we have another device this year, again, another accessory to the fans called the FlowGrid.